Hello traders, welcome to our channel Day Option Trade. First of all, happy Diwali to everyone. Let's go to the market. Here as usual, I have taken Nifty and Bank Nifty 5-minute chart. This is a market on 21 October, last Friday market. The market started with bullish and exactly it started where we draw the previous line. That was the reaction line, but it started in the reaction line itself. And it was not a big gap up, but it was tried to sustain, unable to sustain. Exactly around 12, I mean 140, it broken the days low again within 2 o'clock. It broke the previous day high. So naturally, once the previous day high broken, next stop is it CPR. Exactly, it took support in the CPR, but there is no high. Come to the Bank Nifty, it was bullish from the morning. It was one side rally, but around 135, it broke the 20 EMA. And if it is take a support, that may be good, but it didn't take a support. It took a support around the next reaction line. And at the same time, Nifty was at CPR. The possible trades are once the the first candle low is broken, means day low is broken, and there was a chance to get a trade. But immediately there was a previous day high, so it was not a good target. Okay, let's prepare the chart for the next day. First, let's take a Nifty. In Nifty, let's go to the higher time frame. Higher time frame for intraday is day time frame, 1 day time frame. In the day time frame, there is no important place to mark. Anyhow, we will mark the day's high and day's low in the lower time frame itself. Other than that, there is no any resistance line exactly, and support is also very far. So for tomorrow's trade, there is no any important line in the day. Let's go to the lower time frame, that is 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, first we need to mark the days, previous day high and low. Previous day high and low is marked, and there is a breakout that need to be marked. Already there is a reaction line. In the exact reaction line, the breakout also happened. Let's mark it as a star, because next day market maybe might the start level. Okay, let's delete the zone. The zone may be disturbing. Exactly, let's mark the breakout line. This is the line for breakout. And yes, there is a Muhurt trading in between. On the day of Diwali, there is 1 hour Muhurt trading, but it doesn't support our analysis. So let's ignore it. So I am preparing my chart according to Friday's price action. The chart disturbance like Muhurt trading or in between any technical glitch, these are very rare. So we don't need to mind. And we need to check the Virgin CPR. It's not a Virgin CPR because the trade was happening inside. So there is no Virgin CPR. Gap up is also not there. And this candle is a very important place where the collapse happened. The market has completely fallen from this line. So this previous day high, Friday's high may be very important. Since we already marked the previous day high, we are not going to mark again for the collapse or a big fall. And importantly, there is no any such reaction line, and we have enough gap to trade. Previously high in between, exactly there is a reaction line or a breakout, and previously low. This is enough for tomorrow's trade mainly. And this line already we marked day before yesterday. I mean during last trading session, and let it be there. That's it. Let's go for the 15 minutes time frame. We are going to mark supply and demand zone. Here, supply and demand zone. Maybe we can mark like here. This spot 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This spot may be important. And even though the market is breaking, there is previously high. So this zone may be a selling zone. Once it cross, then the market may move to the next level. And down the selling zone is up to CPR. We have already the previous day low. This is exactly mentioning the important point. One, multiple times here, and again here, and this is low. So this level is enough. No need to make a chart ugly. And there is no any trend line to be marked. So this is enough in Nifty. Next, let's go for the Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, there is a bullish candle, but there is a kind of rejection, and the wick is more in above. We can consider this as a bullish candle, but it is not good for the intraday. It is not saying anything about the intraday opportunity. And we have enough space to achieve the target. So let's go to the smaller time frame, that is 5 minutes. Let's mark the previously high and low. Here's a small gap, but no need to mention it. We have enough space here, and we have Virgin CPR also here. So gap theory, no need to wait for the gap trading. We have enough lines, 1, 2, and previously low once it's broken, and we have a Virgin CPR here. So this is enough. Chart should be clean always, otherwise it disrupts your trading. Okay, this Virgin CPR, previously Virgin CPR has been pierced, so we just remove it. And this was, this reaction was already acted, so we just remove it. Because we are going to mark the breakout line. We have a breakout line here. This breakout line is speaking about previous price action also. So this line we just mark as a reaction line. And this is enough gap for trading. So in Bank Nifty, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stops. Let's mark the supply and demand zone. If it is closed bit above, then the supply zone may be helpful for next day trading. But this is very huge, monitor market, and we will lose some opportunities. And there is a good buying from the first candle itself, and we have marked the previously low. And this previously low is very important because a good buying from here. This is also a kind of important line where we need to mark, because when the trade comes down, when the market comes down, it may take a support from here. More probability to take a support from here. And that's it about our preparation of chart. And our chart is ready for next trade. And most probably just try to avoid the Muhurt trading. If you want to participate in Muhurt trading, you can buy, you can go for some investment, a small kind of investment, but trading in options, Nifty and Bank Nifty options and futures is not suggested during Muhurt trading, because it's a very short period. You cannot see a complete price action or any chart pattern. So please avoid Muhurt trading. Thank you so much. Follow our Telegram channel for live updates. If any changes or manipulations needed in the chart will be communicated through Telegram. Kindly search for the channel .dot, then you can join to get the updates. Have a happy trade. Thank you.